Hi guys, if you ask me which game is my favorite, mm, I will say Devil Fortress. Devil Fortress is my first favorite game. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, this one, this game. Um, I'm finding I'm finding friends that have the same uh, favorite game with me. If you like Dual Fortress as well, please comment this video. Okay. Um, this type of game is from Steam, and it has another classic game. Let me open it for you. Quit. Quit. Okay. Boom. Yeah, I found a bug. If if I install the classic Dual Fortress and the Steam version Dual Fortress, when you open the one, they will locate to the same config file. Let me see. Steam local. Local share this one. Uh, this one Bay 12 games, Bay 12 games classic. Here, Steam version, the Steam version Dual Fortress will locate to Bay 12 games, and the classic Dual Fortress will also locate to this file. So when I run this command to start a classic Dual Fortress, it will have some bugs, just like this one. Start a new game in existing world. Okay, let me see. Yeah, in this situation, it will not show enough pictures. Okay, you see, it's black. The background is black. You cannot see anyone, right? So let me quit, and let me rename the game. Rename this folder. It's Steam. Okay, it's Steam, and let me change this name of folder. Okay, Bay 12 games. This folder, and I run this command again. Okay, it will show the classic classic start page. Click. Okay, it's all characters. So which kind of Dual Fortress you like? The classic one or the Steam kind of Dual Fortress? tell me, comment me under this video. Okay, I'm fine. I'm making friends. I want to find some same happiness habit 乐趣兴趣 okay whatever if you like me, if you like Dual Fortress, we can make a friend. Okay, thank you, bye bye.